The longest hiccuping spree in history lasted an astonishing 68 years, a bizarre record that both entertains and baffles. This oddity stands out in the world of trivia, illustrating just how unpredictably the human body can behave. Envision enduring hiccups for over half a century. It's a testament to the strange and sometimes amusing wonders of human existence. This incredible fact not only sparks curiosity, but also leaves us marveling at the quirks of life, proving that truth is often stranger than fiction.